morning everyone。今天我这边主要介绍两个主题，一个是中国氢能产业的介绍。当然，刚刚米凯尔先生已经讲得非常详细了，所以非常感谢他。然后我这边可能重点的也会介绍一下国富氢能的产品，以及我们在现在这个应用环境下怎么去对这个环境这个生态做出贡献的一些这个具体的事迹。So we have I will cover two topics today. So first I will introduce the Chinese hydrogen industry. I will focus more about the industry itself, and also I will make a short introduction to Guofu hydrogen, about our products, about our solution, and how we can contribute our technology and solutions for the hydrogen ecosystem. 所以首先这边是我们这个中国氢能工业的一个现状。当然，首先我们这边会讲到，就是我们一直在讲的3060，就是2030年的碳达峰跟2060年的碳中和，这个也是我们国家的一个清洁能源战略。那针对这个清洁能源战略的要求呢，氢能在中间是一个非常重要的环节。那这中间我们会关注到，就是说，国家的能源安全，包括就是燃料电池的一些示范项目。So as you all know, in China we have this 2030 to reach the carbon peak, emission peak, and by 2060 we will reach the carbon neutrality. And this is our country's energy policy, and this policy is made for the energy security of the China, and also you can see we already have some fuel cell physical demonstration projects in the city level, and with all these companies here in hydrogen industry, we should be able to reach this goal by the deadline. 然后我们这边的话，简单过一下，就是现在氢气的话，事实上有3种不同的氢气。当然，事实上可能还会有包括粉氢啊之类的其他的一些，但是在中国目前的这个现状呢，主要是灰氢、蓝氢跟绿氢。那这边的话，灰氢呢，主要是通过化石燃料，转化反应制取的氢气，然后在这个灰氢的基础上，通过应用碳捕捉、碳封存等技术呢，就变成蓝氢。然后绿氢呢，是通过光电、风电等可再生能源电解水制氢的一个氢气，所以只有绿氢是真正的零碳氢气。So although hydrogen, we call it clean energy, but actually we have different types of hydrogen. So first we have grey hydrogen. Grey hydrogen is produced through the conversion reaction of fossil fuels. And then we have blue hydrogen. Blue hydrogen is on top of grey hydrogen, we have carbon capture and storage technology applied to the grey hydrogen. And then the last one and most important one is green hydrogen. Green hydrogen actually is produced by renewable energy, and it is energy sources coming from solar, wind, hydro, all these renewable and clean energy source. And we call it zero carbon hydrogen. So this is the most green and clean hydrogen among all these kinds of hydrogens. This is also the most important one to reach these emerging emission goals. Then for the hydrogen energy, how much hydrogen do we need? 就是我们这边到底需要多少氢能？这个在全球来说，这个预测事实上是非常高的。我们可以看到，在左边这个图呢，是一个主要国际能源机构对2050年全球制氢量的一个预测。然后，但 但是我们目前在右边这个图呢，就是说我们目前的一个全球的氢能结构是可以看到，第一个就是在这里面，我们的氯氢事实上还是占很少的一个比例，这也是我们需要提高的地方。So we can see from the left side of this picture, this is a forecast of global hydrogen production by 2050. The hydrogen requirements actually is already very high, and of course right now we are talking about most of this hydrogen is still gray, but in the future by 2050, you can see the requirements of green hydrogen will be the most needed one. And also on the left side is the hydrogen global hydrogen production structure in 2020. Among this structure, you can see different ways to produce hydrogen. At this moment, most of hydrogen is still produced from the traditional way. Most of them is green hydrogen. And then we also cover a little bit about the hydrogen energy industry trend. 我们这边也简单介绍一个整个氢能的这个工业产业链的情况。就是这边的话主要是介绍了3点，就是在氢能的制备，然后氢能的储存运输以及氢能的使用这3个方面。在氢能的制备上呢，主要是我们会有不同的途径去制氢。当然，对于绿色氢能来讲，我们主要会关注水电解制氢，就是氯氢的制备。然后在下面呢是氢气的这个我们叫它中游，就上面是叫上游，那中游的话是氢气的储存、运输和分销，这中间就包括不同的氢气的储存方式、运输方式，以及相应的就是氢气的充装站、加氢站。然后最终呢，氢气会使用到这个氢能的各种应用途径上去。这中间我们会看到有氢能的运输，包括公路、铁路、飞机跟船，然后包括第2点是工业用氢。工业用氢我们会看到，其实大部分的钢铁，包括一些其他的高能化行业，它们事实上都有这个脱碳的需求，包括氯钢在内是一个很大的市场。然后第3点是这个氢能的发电，因为氢能可以作为一个长效的储能手段，通过氢能发电呢，也可以去更加进一步的降低这个全球的碳排放。然后第4个是在一些就是建筑领域，那我们可以看到氢能可以用于供暖。So we have here actually in category here about hydrogen industry. So first we have upstream for hydrogen production. Hydrogen production usually we are talking about different ways of hydrogen production, but only the hydrogen production by water electrolysis is called green hydrogen, is the most needed one. And then we have the middle stream, storage, transportation, and distribution of hydrogen. So first, for the storage and transportation, we have different solutions in the market. So first is high pressure hydrogen, compressed hydrogen vessel, and we then have liquid hydrogen, and we also have solid hydrogen storage, solid state hydrogen storage, which is much safer, but still needs more developments at this moment. And also we have organic liquid or e-fuels. So this is from hydrogen as gas or hydrogen as molecule. So it's going to also very big market in the future. Then we have hydrogen refueling. This not only including the hydrogen refueling station for the vehicles, but also hydrogen unloading for the loading and unloading system for the hydrogen transportation. And same finally to the downstream for the application scenarios. We can first the actual mobility for the hydrogen transportation in vehicles, highways, railways, aviation and shipping. We can all use hydrogen as energy source. Then for the industrial area, in order to produce green products, since we all know that right now more and more countries say that to pay attention to the carbon emission. Even in Europe, we have this carbon border tax, and green industry are going to go more and more required in the future. The third part is the power generation. So hydrogen can use those energy storage, and also in the near future, we can also see hydrogen coming from the gas pipeline. By the end of last month, in October, actually I was in the Netherlands. They just started the construction of the first pure hydrogen pipeline in Rotterdam, which is amazing. And the last one is hydrogen can also be used in the construction or say building industry. Hydrogen can be used also heating and to supply hot water. And here we start with our company introduction of Guofu hydrogen, green hydrogen equipment for industry one-stop solution supplier. This is very long, but basically the reason is why we introduce the last page. You can see here is all this industry value chain. Where is requiring hydrogen industry? Actually, Guofu is well involved in all these industries. So, Guofu Hydrogen, we are founded in 2016, and we are the leading supplier of integrated solutions for the entire industry of hydrogen energy equipment in China. This is since the beginning, we want to provide to the market, to our customer, a complete solution for the hydrogen industry. So once there is a project, we can help with the project to find a missing piece. We can build these entire projects with from one stop. So here is more details about how we get involved in hydrogen industry. So first we have a hydrogen production plant, and then we have a hydrogen liquefaction, liquid hydrogen storage, and liquid hydrogen transportation. This is how Guofu is involved in the hydrogen storage and transportation sector. Then with the vaporizer and the hydrogen refilling station, we can provide refilling service to the vehicles. We also produce hydrogen dispenser by ourselves. Then after that, we have vehicle mounted liquid hydrogen water, which we also have a compressed hydrogen filter. I will cover that later. We are the number one in the market. So right now we have 6 different BUs in our group. So first we have a hydrogen water BU, which produces compressed hydrogen cylinder. Then we have skid liquid business BU, which is for the liquid hydrogen solutions. We have a hydrogen supply system BU is for the hydrogen supply system for vehicles. It's part of the vehicle hydrogen system. And the green hydrogen BU is more for the green hydrogen solutions. Liquid hydrogen water BU is for the liquid hydrogen on board the vehicles. And then finally, final one is the water electrolysis equipment division is for the green hydrogen electrolyzers. We also have a very strong R&D team in our company. Right now we have applied more than 400 patents, and more than 150 patents are authorized to us. We also have cooperation with many universities, research institutions, and we also have our independent R&D center in our group. Our research covering both the liquid hydrogen sector, hydrogen refilling station sector, hydrogen cylinder, the storage system, and the electrolyzers. This is more about the Guofu hydrogen products and solution page. So you can see here we are covering, because usually we say in GF hydrogen, Guofu hydrogen, we have covered the hydrogen generation, hydrogen distribution, hydrogen storage, hydrogen transportation, and also hydrogen application. 所以这个是我们国富的一个主要的核心的竞争优势，就是说我们国富氢能事实上覆盖了氢能的制储、运、家用5个主要的环节。那这也是我们就是企业的一个主要的战略，就是提供整套的解决方案给我们的客户。And then we are very quickly go through all these different products. The first one is the most important one, the hydrogen electrolyzer. Right now we are working with mainly alkaline ALK technology. This electrolyzer right now we have between 15 normal cubic meter to 1,000 normal cubic meter with different models. And one very important thing for the electrolyzer is actually the system design. And we are proud to say Guofu actually is also very involved in the BOP of the electrolyzer system. So we can provide the complete water electrolysis system for our customer. Because in the system level, we can include like a different energy power supply system and storage solution to enable quick response to the renewable energy source. We have fast dynamic responding speed, and also we can work in different ratios of output. Then the second main product scale is our hydrogen refilling station solutions. Right now we also have a very big range of HRS solutions, from small to big one, and also from skid-mounted or containerized solution to let's say sand solution. This is actually also my experience, because right now we also see many other countries hydrogen refilling station has been developed more and more, but in the beginning of the HRS application depends on the volume of the hydrogen vehicles available in the market. Many countries or many investors, they want to start with small scale, especially the containerized solution, or usually sometimes they call it a mobile hydrogen solution, because they only have maybe several vehicles for each station. But right now in China, since we have more hydrogen vehicles running, more and more investors, they start looking for the stationary solution. And we already built one of the biggest hydrogen refilling stations in China, which can refill 2 tons per day, 2 tons for 12 hours. And the third party is our compressed hydrogen cylinder products. Right now we are mainly working with Type 3, with Type 4 production right now under construction. And we can produce hydrogen cylinders as well as the hydrogen gas supply system for the vehicles. We already have the certificates for the also international market. And the last one here is also, we believe will be also our main future business, is liquid hydrogen solutions. So here, Guofu hydrogen is involved for the hydrogen liquefaction, liquid hydrogen container for transportation and storage, and also our onboard liquid hydrogen storage system, like the liquid hydrogen tank for the vehicles, and also for other kind of vehicles. So some numbers about our market position right now. Right now we are both hydrogen. We have built 110 hydrogen refueling stations in China, which equals to 36% of the market share, which is number one. And we are also the number one on fuel cell vehicle mounted hydrogen storage system. So which is 45% market share, also number one in the market. In the last 4 years, Guofu Hydrogen has been the leader in the domestic market. But also since last year, we started to approach international market. We hope to get more and more market position together with our partners in the overseas market. And this is some project reference over the China. We are also proud to say we are involved also in some overseas projects right now, including our first hydrogen refueling station in Malaysia, and also our Electrizer will be used in the COP28. Okay, thank you.